LEOBOG Hi75 Kit Hot-swappable mechanical keyboard kit custom Barebone keyboard. LEOBOG Hi75 Kit Hot-swappable mechanical keyboard kit review. The LEOBOG Hi75 Kit is a hot-swappable mechanical keyboard kit that offers a unique gasket structure for a comfortable typing experience. It comes with a variety of features that make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. Design. The LEOBOG Hi75 Kit has a 75% layout, which is a popular choice for those who want a compact keyboard without sacrificing too much functionality. The keyboard is made of high-quality aluminum, and it has a brushed finish that gives it a sleek and stylish look. The keycaps are made of PBT plastic, and they have a dye-sublimation printing process that ensures that the legends will not fade over time. Gasket structure. The LEOBOG Hi75 Kit uses a gasket structure to provide a comfortable typing experience. Gaskets are small rubber pads that are placed between the PCB and the case. This helps to dampen the sound of the keys bottoming out, and it also creates a more tactile typing experience. Hot swap PCB. The LEOBOG Hi75 Kit uses a hot swap PCB, which means that you can easily swap out the switches without having to solder. This makes it a great choice for those who want to experiment with different switches. The keyboard supports a wide variety of switches, including Cherry MX, Gateron, Kyle, and more. Backlighting. The LEOBOG Hi75 Kit has RGB backlighting that can be customized to your liking. You can choose from a variety of colors and effects, and you can also adjust the brightness. The backlighting is also fully programmable, so you can create your own custom lighting profiles. Conclusion. The LEOBOG Hi75 Kit is a high-quality mechanical keyboard kit that offers a unique gasket structure for a comfortable typing experience. It comes with a variety of features that make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. Pros. High-quality construction. Comfortable typing experience. Hot swap PCB. RGB backlighting. Fully programmable. Cons. No included keycaps or switches. Pricey. Overall, the LEOBOG Hi75 Kit is a great choice for those who are looking for a high-quality mechanical keyboard kit. It offers a unique gasket structure for a comfortable typing experience, and it comes with a variety of features that make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts.